You think you have incurable allergies, but the solution may be in your laundry room. I saw every specialist, took every test. I was told it was anxiety, but I knew the fatigue, the headaches, the itchy skin. It was all a signal. My body was fighting something invisible. Turns out, the biggest trigger was the one I thought was safe, the smell of my clean laundry. Those perfumes are neurotoxins that stick to your clothes and your body. Your skin is your largest organ. It absorbs everything. I was literally getting dosed with chemicals every time I got dressed. Making this switch wasn't just about clean clothes. It was about giving my body a break. It was about taking back control. Within a week of using this, the brain fog lifted. My skin healed. It wasn't a miracle. It was just an absence of poison. This is all it takes. 5 simple ingredients. No mystery chemicals, no toxic residues, just clean. Your body is trying to tell you something. Are you listening? Save this video. You'll want to make it this weekend. But hey, what else in my house should I swap next? Follow for part 2.